Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about programming a taper. So adding a basic taper to a 2D shape. So here I have an example program that I'm going through. It's a whole program that we've added a taper code to. So starting at the top, what I have, looking down here, I have a line called a G95 line. So this can either be in the program or you can manually set it up on the screen. But what the G95 line does is this sets up our taper height information. Where is our taper going to be in the Z-axis stroke of the machine? So if I have a part sitting on the table, that's going to be at Z0, or if I have a part sitting up 1 inch, that would be Z1 inch. So basic information. So G95, P0, so P is where's the bottom, where's that 2D shape going to be at? Q is going to be our subplane. Where's the secondary shape? Where's the other side of that at? Now, a constant taper, it really doesn't matter so much, but that's just where the other shape is, so the upper heads can know what speed to move at. And then the last thing in that line, we have a Z pound 5015. What that does is that tells the machine, it records where the machine's Z-axis is at. So if the Z-axis is here or here or here, it automatically records that and moves the upper head accordingly, depending on where the Z-axis height is at. Okay, then we come down, we have some basic codes here. Rapid to X0, Y0 position. We have an M17 to turn on our power, calling up our E1, D1 setting. And then we have our first movement line, our machining movement line. So in this example, we have a G01, G41, so radius compensation to the left. Now we've added G51, which is taper lean to the left. So G51, then a Y movement and a T value. So the T value being taper in decimal degrees. Then all the other movements, in this case G03, because it's an arc for a circle. Go down, we have an optional stop, and then a G01. So when we're canceling the radius compensation, G40, at the same time, now we would cancel that back to G50. So taper compensation off and T value back to 0. Then end of the program. So really only a couple things you need to do to turn a 2D program into a basic taper program.